Hello, my people. Welcome back to the news channel. And this is Afris Concept TV, where you get the latest and the hottest news. This is a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure to do that now. And if you are a new subscriber, we say welcome to Afris Concept TV. Sit back and relax, because you are going to be getting everything that you are going to need to be updated on the happenings in the country and even outside the country. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome back to Afris Concept TV, and I'm sure you keep coming back because you get value from this channel. Let's go right to the headlines for today. Breaking: FG set to buy new presidential aircraft, puts 3 up for sale. And hello, my people, that is the headlines for today, as the federal government is set to buy a new presidential aircraft and has put up 3 aircraft for sale. But I thought they said the government had only 1. Let's listen to the news info and see what is going on. The federal government has decided to sell 3 aging presidential aircraft so as to gather funds to purchase a new one. Politics Nigeria reports that the decision will also reduce excessive spending on fleet maintenance for the aircraft, which are currently unused. The latest development comes as the House of Representatives Committee on National Security and Intelligence recommended the purchase of 2 new aircraft for President Bola Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, despite the recommendation by lawmakers for the purchase of 2 new aircraft. Officials say the government cannot afford it and will instead use the sale proceeds to augment the cost of a new jet. The sale of the 3 aircraft will reduce the number of jets in the presidential air fleet by half, from 6 aeroplanes and 4 helicopters to 3. The fleet maintained by the Presidential Air Fleet (PAF) includes a Boeing 737 Boeing business jet (BBJ), a Gulfstream G550, a Gulfstream GV, 2 Falcon 7X, and 1 Challenger CL605. However, insiders revealed that at least half of the fleet is unserviceable or failing, necessitating the need to dispose of the burdensome aircraft. The jets slated for sale are a Boeing 737 BBJ, a Gulfstream, and a Falcon 7X. We saw the report and recommendation by the lawmakers, but the truth of the matter is that we cannot afford to buy 2 aircraft at a go. Even though we are selling off others, the approval now is to find one whose cost is not too much that we can augment with what we raise from this sale, a government insider said. It is understood that the federal government has appointed Jet HQ, a US-based airline marketer, to broker the sale. Proceeds from the sale will go towards procuring a new jet, for which a search is ongoing. Although offers for the aging aircraft has been received, it is yet to be sold. Yes, we have received 2 offers for the BBJ and 1 for the Falcon X, but the NSA insisted that we must press for a better deal instead of rushing to have a bad deal for the government. A Presidential Air Force (PAF) official involved with the process said. This was also confirmed by Zakari Minyawa, a spokesman for the National Security Advisor (NSA). And my people, now the news be this, and this is really alarming, because they initially said that there was no presidential aircraft that the president could use. But now we realize that they even have 6 helicopters and 4 4 helicopters and 6 airplanes, and they still want to get a new one, stating that those ones are old. And yes, my people, that is the news for today. Make sure to like the video, comment, let us know what you think about this news. Let us know your mind regarding this news that you've just listened to, because we are very interested in your feedback. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you every time that we post up a new content. Look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.